Certainly. Here's the text you provided. Proteins, fats, and carbohydrates are essential nutrients that cells use for energy production. Proteins can be broken down into amino acids, fats into fatty acids, and carbohydrates into glucose. These nutrients enter various metabolic pathways to ultimately produce ATP, the energy currency of cells. Each nutrient provides a different amount of energy, with fats being the most energy dense. Understanding how cells utilize these nutrients is crucial for overall cellular function. Glucose breakdown in the mitochondria involves several steps. Initially, glucose is converted to pyruvate through glycolysis in the cytoplasm. Pyruvate then enters the mitochondria and is converted to acetyl-CoA through the pyruvate dehydrogenase complex. Acetyl-CoA enters the citric acid cycle, where it undergoes a series of reactions to produce reducing equivalents like NADH and FADH2. These reducing equivalents are used in the electron transport chain to generate ATP through oxidative phosphorylation. Medium-chain fatty acids, MCFAs, are easier to metabolize compared to long-chain fatty acids because they can freely diffuse across the mitochondrial membrane without the need for carnitine or carnitine palmitoyl transferase, CPT, for entry. This allows MCFAs to be rapidly converted to acetyl-CoA for energy production. In contrast, long-chain fatty acids require carnitine and CPT to facilitate their transport into the mitochondria, making their metabolism more complex and slower. Lysosomal storage disorders such as Gaucher's disease and Tay-Sachs disease occur due to a deficiency in specific lysosomal enzymes responsible for breaking down certain substances. In Gaucher's disease, the deficiency of glucocerebrosidase leads to the accumulation of glucocerebroside in cells, causing organ enlargement and tissue damage. Similarly, in Tay-Sachs disease, the absence of hexosaminidase A results in the buildup of GM2 ganglioside, particularly in nerve cells, leading to neurodegeneration. These disorders highlight the critical role of lysosomal enzymes in cellular function and the consequences of their deficiency. Severe nutrient deficiencies in conditions like anorexia nervosa can have devastating effects on the body. As the body depletes its glucose, fat, and protein stores, it turns to muscle tissue for energy, leading to muscle wasting and weakness. Organ failure can occur due to the lack of essential nutrients needed for proper function. The heart, for example, may weaken due to nutrient deficiencies, impacting its ability to pump blood effectively. Addressing these deficiencies through proper nutrition and medical intervention is crucial to prevent long-term damage.